My name is Queenie and you are watching Casa Negrense. Hi guys, today I'm doing a general cleaning of the house. And one of which is, of course, the refrigerator. It's very important to clean the refrigerator to keep the bacteria and the smell off the fridge, okay? So I just cleaned the outer portion and now I'm putting the stainless steel wipes from Weeman or Wyman, however you pronounce it, okay? So let's do the cleaning. So this is the product right here. All you need to do is open the top, and then there's this little wipes that you're going to use to wipe off the refrigerator. So this little wipes here, all you need to do is wipe the stainless steel refrigerator. Until you get all the areas that you wanted to wipe it off with. Alright, I just got done wiping off the fridge, and then I'll let it dry up. Alright, so Gabriel's gonna do the refrigerator raid. So our refrigerator is made by, hold on, Kenmore Elite. Alright, go ahead, Gabe.
So what's inside? They have the cool mango drinks. Up there we have all the condiments that my mom uses for cooking.
Look, you are a hoarder of Yakult, right? And those are all the condiments from Thai, Korean, Vietnamese stuff that we use. Okay.
We also have the Frappuccino mochas.
Okay, hold on.
And
how about
on top,
those?
we have the pills.
No, don't worry about the pills. That's not included. Look, what is that? The one that's the oyster sauce right there, right?
Worcestershire sauce. I don't know.
Oyster sauce. That's for Chinese cooking. And we also have this abalone sauce.
Yeah, we have some wine for cooking as well.
Okay. And so again, those are this is the first and second and third part of this is the 3 levels here. 1, 2, 3. So the top portion is where you put all the Knorr cubes. Knorr cubes. And my mom is the hoarder of the Knorr cubes. What happened? Where are you?
I magically appeared.
Oh, you magically appeared. And that's the space still for all the fruits that we're gonna cut up. All right, let's go to the second.
No, the miso.
The miso. Okay.
Oh, these are the second compartment.
Second compartment, or the drawers. You can transform that into.
Oh, this was for fruits. No, this
fruits, and then the other one is for vegetable. Yeah, the other one's for vegetable. So fruits and vegetable. So what you have there?
We like to keep it on fruit, but it's really supposed to be on vegetables.
Because we keep a lot of vegetables in this side, right? So what do you have there?
What is all right crisper?
Look, open that thing right there. That's the century egg. We have century egg. And these are all Mama's vegetable for her laswa.
What is this? Oh.
Okay. It can't be removed. All right, close it. How about the other drawer? Other drawer, Gabe. Naipit ka. That's where we keep the eggs, the butter, Parmesan cheese. What else do we have there? The open vegetables. This is where Mama places it. That's the celery. And that's for Mama's beautification, the roller, facial roller. Egg? That's the ginamos na itlog, or ginamos, or whatever, maalat na itlog. That's the cabbage. Put it back.
I was about to say what?
The open vegetables. This is where Mama put it. Go ahead and close it, Gabe. All right, what do you have here? Right there. Oh, Gabriel. Okay, so what do you have here?
I almost fell.
Really? That's not part of the tour. Okay. So what's in there? On the top portion, that's where...
We have the chillers.
No, that's for the medication, Gabe.
Yeah, these are the
we separate medication so it won't be contaminated with the food, right?
And this is where I usually put my ranch dressing for my sandwiches.
So basically condiments, and those are...
What is this?
Chili,
Tabasco pepper
jelly,
oh, that
and blueberry. We put all the jellies here for your peanut butter and jelly.
Those are for my sandwiches. Sometimes I like
Yeah,
to put
and these
sriracha
are
for something else.
And these are for...
Those are also for sandwiches and hot
Oh,
dogs.
this is for coffee.
And that's for it's just random stuff we put in here.
Okay,
the
moving.
next side. We have like
Condiments.
a creamy style horseradish.
Okay.
Wait, isn't horseradish?
Don't cover it.
Horseradish is in wasabi, right?
Yeah, you can put
There's
that.
laksa.
That's for the
paste.
laksa mixture. Because
There's
I don't really
relish.
have the time to do the laksa
Sweet relish. And is this spicy mustard?
combination, or the when we make laksa, we make the laksa
This looks like spicy
the
mustard.
laksa paste, because I don't have time to do laksa.
Oh, this
paste.
is the
And plus we don't
Kool-Aid.
have all the ingredients, okay?
Oh yeah.
And what do you have there?
My Kool-Aid. I just put
So that's where we put the ginamosto game. The alamang, hipong alamang, or all the...
We'll just keep it like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay, next.
Behind it.
Next. Hold on.
Wait.
Next.
Oh, this. Wait, this is where you're supposed to put the butter and cheese.
No, that's okay. I don't follow rules. So basically,
These are the sauces.
this is the apple cider vinegar. para mag-slim tayo ng konti. Kasi kumakain kami lagi sa Casa ni Grense. We're always cooking. And again, another place for the Starbucks frappe.
This is a lot of crap.
What is this? Oh, that's the chili sauce for the lumpia.
We have a lot of craft. Like, we have this, which is new looks.
The coleslaw. That's
yeah,
the
that's
Italian
the
blend
coleslaw.
right there. It shouldn't be refrigerated
We also
before
have
opening,
sweet
but Mama
teriyaki.
already did.
We have sweet teriyaki.
You're covering it with your arm. Okay.
Sweet teriyaki. We also have original barbecue sauce.
Because you love barbecue sauce. Matakaw ka sa
We
barbecue
have
sauce.
so many things that are included with craft. We also have mac and cheese over there.
Okay, hold on. Okay, how about on the outside portion? Gabe, close that part of the refrigerator. So this is a 2-door one. Close that part and then open the outside portion over there.
What is in here? I don't
No,
know.
that's the ice maker. Ice maker. Close it, Gabe. It's sharp. Sharp. Close it. All right. How about this part right here? So this one opens halfway, or how do you call it? So this is also what was on the back.
We usually
This
put
is
our milk and juice right here. Sometimes if we don't have space, we put it in like those areas.
all right, and that's your.
These are all the mochas.
How do you pronounce this? The Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
Pronounce it.
Worcestershire.
In the Philippines before, I thought it's Worcestershire, but it's Worcestershire or Worcestershire. I don't know. Worcestershire.
I thought it was always.
That's what I'm talking about.
Worcestershire.
The ginamus right there.
It's really.
We put our salted, thick fish sauce and bagoong alamang. Finish it, Gabe. Finish the tour. Here.
Okay.
Okay. On the lower portion, I still have to organize it, but it comes with 3 compartments. This is where I put all the vegetables
And random stuff.
and
like
random
soup.
stuff. The second one is where the dahon ng saging goes, and all the already pre-made food that we are just ready to microwave. See, this one is the beans, sausage and beans, and we're just gonna have to microwave that. And this one too, it's already a pre-made taco and other things. And
That's a burrito.
And then this top portion here are for the meats, okay? And also we have another dahon.
pantry?
Now the pantry is the next episode.
But even though I keep saying there's a lot of stuff made from craft,
And you have
we
another
have
craft.
this, and
Yeah, don't open the pantry because it's not yet ready.
it's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Okay,
You
and we
want
have
us to show
another.
them, like the huge box, like there's
No.
filled with.
And we also have another. Refrigerator outside, which is just for the freezer. We don't have a refrigerator outside. We have a freezer. And so say bye-bye, Gabriel.
Bye-bye.
That's the pantry right there, but no open. Nuh-uh, don't open. It's not ready yet. All right. Casa Negrense here. Gabriel doing the refrigerator tour. See you on the next episode of
Casa Negrense.
Bye. Change your pajama, Gabe.